Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this brand new 72 plate Mercedes GLE with a Starline Pro. The way it works, it uses a push sequence or a customer's phone to start the vehicle. If that's not there and someone clones the key to try and steal the vehicle, it's not going to start. So the way it works for the customer, if they don't have their phone on them and they just want to use the standard factory buttons, what they'll do is double press, get their lights on, then pop their code in that they can choose. For now we've left it as 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, now foot on the brake. We can start the car. If the customer's not a fan of push sequences, what they can do is just pair their phone up so their phone can be connected and in their pocket. Here we go. So now they can just have it locked in their pocket, hop in the vehicle, start it up and hear their melody. No need to do anything different, just be like a normal car except you've got your phone for protection. Lastly, this system can also be put into service mode using the app. So what we'll do, we'll just push and hold on here, go from green to yellow. When it does, we'll let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. Now with this yellow, this is basically a normal car. So Mercedes will be none the wiser, there's an Immobiliser fitted. Just act and behave like a normal vehicle, no code, no phone. When you get it back, you'll obviously want to switch the system back on, so just do the same again, from yellow back to green, let go, 2 bleeps. There we go. If you want to test it, now it's back out of service mode, turn your Bluetooth off on your phone, turn the vehicle off, give it 10 seconds to set, and then try and attack it as if you're a thief with just the key. So now we'll try to turn it on. As you see, it doesn't start. If the customer wanted to obviously change the code on this, what they'll do is they'll first have to prove that it's them. So get the ignition on, either present the phone or pop the code in. There we go. Now press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off, back on. 5 bleeps. We'll just change it to this back paddle. So 4 presses. Confirmation, repeat that again. So back, back, home, back paddle. Double bleep confirmation, that's the code changed. So if you want to get one of these fitted, this is the Starline Pro Immobiliser on a 72 plate Mercedes GLE. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. As you can see, it doesn't start. Needs a pin code. So once again, double press so we get our ignition on, pop our code in, melody, now we can start. Once again, our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.